In 1995, very few railway professionals needed email to do their jobs. By 2005, not using email looked unprofessional. By 2015, entire railway operations depended on digital systems. And today, nobody debates whether digital transformation matters in railways. Make no mistake, the debate is now over. Artificial intelligence may be entering railways in exactly the same way. It all begins quite quietly at first, and then quite suddenly it was everywhere. Most experienced railway professionals still see AI as something distant. It was something highly experimental, something for established software companies, and it is something for the next generation of younger engineers. But railway history tells us something interesting. Every major railway transition initially looked irrelevant to experienced professionals. Electrification, digital signaling, implementing systems like CBTC and ETCS, predictive maintenance and condition monitoring. At first, these looked like specialized technologies. Then they became industry expectations. AI may follow the same path. Here is what makes this moment different. For the first time in railway history, intelligence itself is becoming scalable. Not manpower, not machines, intelligence. A maintenance engineer using AI-assisted systems may identify failures earlier. An operations team using intelligent dashboards may optimize decisions faster. A project manager using generative AI may reduce hours of reporting and technical documentation work dramatically. And railway organizations globally are beginning to notice this shift. That changes the economics of expertise. For decades, experience alone created professional advantage. Now, railway organizations may increasingly value professionals who combine deep railway expertise with intelligent systems. That combination may become disproportionately valuable in the coming decade. Imagine two railway professionals in 2030. Both have 20 years of railway experience. Both understand rail systems deeply. But one understands AI-assisted operations, predictive analytics, and intelligent asset management, generative AI workflows, and data-driven railway systems. And unfortunately, the other does not. The difference between them may not remain small, it may become exponential. Because AI does not replace railway expertise, it amplifies it. And professionals who understand AI early may gain compounding career advantages over time. This is why the real question is no longer, will AI affect railways? The better question is, how fast will AI reshape workforce expectations inside railway organizations? And that transition has already started globally. Across metro systems, high-speed rail and freight operations, intelligent maintenance environments, and smart mobility systems. That is why ITM, Pravartak, and Zenith Railway Academy launched the Professional Certificate Program in AI and Data Science with Gen AI applications in rail. This is not a generic AI course. It is designed specifically for railway professionals. Participants explore railway-focused AI applications, predictive maintenance concepts, intelligent operations, digital twins, and generative AI workflows, railway datasets and dashboards, hands-on labs, and applied projects. Importantly, the program is designed for working professionals without requiring a coding-heavy background. The railway industry has entered many transitions before: mechanical to electrical, analog to digital, manual to automated. Artificial intelligence may become the next major transition, and history usually rewards the professionals who prepare early. Thank you.